Welcome to the Applications Platform training videos from Codeless Platforms. Here are the objectives and approximate running time for this video. In the previous video, we added an email template, enabled workflow, and created a send mail trigger on the order object. In this video, we will add confirm order date and ship date triggers to the order object. Let's click on the Orders tab and in the drop-down menu, select Object Definition. In the menu bar, click Triggers and select the New Trigger button. Select the Update Field Value trigger type and click Next. In the Order New Trigger section, enter the following details. Set on field change to workflow actions, record to order, and set field to change to order date. Then in the formula field, type the following. Check the syntax of the formula by clicking the Validate Formula button. Once the formula syntax has passed, select the Save and New button. OK, now select the Update Field Value trigger type and click the Next button. In the New Trigger section, input the following details. Scroll down and set on field change to workflow actions, record to order, and set the field to change to ship date. Scroll down, then in the formula field, type the following. Once again, check the syntax of the formula by clicking the Validate Formula button. And then click Save. And that's it for this video. We have added confirm order date and ship date triggers to the order object. In the next video, we will create workflow functionality on the order object. Thanks for watching.